2014 started off in Q school, where I was lucky enough on the second day to get my tour card. Then obviously you're mixing it every week then with the top players. The first 6 months I started off slow, was a bit nervous about playing the top players, but the last couple of months I found my feet a little bit. Started beating likes of Gary Anderson and the top players, losing 6-5s to Adrian Lewis started to turn around. So towards the end of the season things started to pick up. To reach the PDC World Championship I had to finish in roughly the top 48 of the Pro Tour. So and outside the top 32 you have to finish in the top 16. It feels a bit surreal to be at this stage really. I didn't expect this at the beginning of the year. It means everything. It's every dart player's dream to play in the World Championship. That's what you thrive for at the beginning of the season. You play all year to reach where I am now, and I'm just over the moon to be there, to be honest with you. Yeah, I didn't have a nickname starting off, but over Facebook one of my mates decided the Iceman and the walk-on music, Ice Ice Baby, and I liked the Iceman Price sort of rhymed as well a little bit, so I just went along with that. Knowing Peter Wright, I don't really know him that well. He's colourful, he's lively on the stage. He's not like that off the stage. I think he's quite quiet. I've spoken to him a few times. He's a nice guy. Like, if I play well and I hit my doubles and I score like I can, he's going to have a very tough game on his hand. Yeah, I think it's about time another Welsh dart player came through. You've got a couple of people, Jamie Lewis, obviously Mark Webster, Richie Burnett, Barry Bates as well coming back into it hopefully, but yeah, it's about time somebody new come through and took a few scalps.